How to check usage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Cellular as shown. Scroll down to the Cellular Data section to view the current period and current period roaming information. And then, go back and tap on Battery. On this page, you can view your battery percentage, battery health, and manage other battery settings as well. You can also view the battery usage by app below. Tap on the last 10 days section above. Over here, you can view the battery usage, activity, average screen on and average screen off time in the last 10 days. Go back again and tap on Screen Time. You can view your daily average screen time over here. Tap on See All App and Website Activity. Then, tap on Day. You can check your screen time for the current day over here. Following these steps, you can easily check usage on iPhone.